Hey guys, welcome to Zoloblocks. In this block tutorial, let's explore the social share block that lets you create quick social share icons in Gutenberg. Let's go. First, let's add a container block on the page, choose a single column layout, and adjust the padding values to define a larger content area. Then click on the blank container and type social share inside the block search field. Now, just click on the block to insert it. Instantly, the social share block will appear with its default appearance, which has two social boxes with icons, texts, and brand colors. From the options, you can select any of the three preset styles. One shows only icons, one shows inline text, and the last one has a unique text box style. Then below, you can choose the preset type, either text or icon, or both. Next is the layout section. Here, you can change the social share item layout to flex or to grid. If you choose grid, you can define the number of columns and the gap between the items. For flex layout, you can adjust the gaps, while the number of columns will be auto-configured. The gap option is divided into row gap and column gap, and you can modify them separately. The last section under the Basic tab lets you configure the social share items. Here, each social media item comes in a box. Each box lets you select a social media platform, add a custom label, insert the target link, and add hashtags. And you can add any number of social share items. Just keep hitting the Add New button and customize it. Right now, there's a fixed number of choices for the platforms. Team Zoloblocks will add more in the future. Alright, the basics are over. Let's jump into the style part. Inside the Style tab, the first section named Social Icons lets you change the text style through the typography option. Now this option has font family, size, style, weight, spacing, and more settings inside. So, take your time to customize and get a nice font style. Once you are done with typography, you can work with the icon size option to fit the icons as per your landing page. Then again, you can adjust the gap between the icon and the text with the scroll bar right below. After that, you can add a border around the social share items, add a border color, choose a border type, and adjust the width as you will. You can also customize the border radius to curve the edges of the items. And lastly, you have padding for the inner part of the items. You may use it to adjust the overall content size. You can choose to keep the original brand colors for the social share links or use custom colors of your choice. For the custom color option, you can change the icon color and icon background color, as well as add a box shadow. Also, these options are available in hover mode and let you create a custom hover effect. And that's everything for the social share block. Here are some ready patterns to help you create instant designs with this awesome block feature. Feel free to explore them. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with Zoloblocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon.